Okay, my name is David Krakowski, and I'm just turned 55, and I just had a hair restoration procedure with Dr. Danyo. Got there, early, and they were ready for me. They, told me what I was going to expect. They went in. He just numbed me a little bit, in the areas that we were working with, which is the back, of course, to start, and just went through, each area as they were pulling the grafts. And then as we made our way through, had some nice lunch. That was awesome. Had a little break. And then it was placement of the grafts itself. I wanted Dr. Danyo. A lot of facilities, it's tech, but I wanted him because this is all he does. And he's an expert just in this field. And what really, even more so, made me excited was the fact that he does a shaveless system. Other facilities, they'll take a one guard and shave it down. So everyone pretty much knows, what he did. I loved how discreet this was. I had one person notice, my scalp, and it was just very, very minor. I can't wait for people to see the difference. I know that, think about when you've seen someone that you haven't seen for several months. I guess the way our mind works is it takes a snapshot and remembers the last time you saw them. So as I go through and I see people, several months, they're going to see my scalp and they're going to know, right, that something's changed. And I couldn't be more thrilled about that because, I'm looking at it all the time. I'm in the anti-aging business. So it's such an important thing to me. It's who I am. We talk about it, but I want to look my best. And I know this is going to be a huge, huge part of the process.